welcome to another edition of the SABC News COVID-19 Global Wrap. I'm Busisiwa Khadebe, and this week I'm bringing you highlights of the coronavirus pandemic around the world. However, before we get started, let's take a look at some global statistics. Over 558 million cases have been recorded globally, with just over 532 million recoveries and over 6.3 million deaths to date. So far, Africa has recorded over 12.2 million coronavirus cases, with some 11.5 million recoveries and over 256,167 deaths. South Africa, on the other hand, has over 3.9 million confirmed cases, with 3,886,784 recoveries and 101,868 deaths. Staying in Africa, the Africa CDC on Thursday said it had signed a memorandum of understanding with Pfizer for countries on the continent to receive supplies of the Paxlovid pill to treat COVID-19. Data from a mid to late stage study in November last year showed the antiviral medication was nearly 90% effective in preventing hospitalizations and deaths compared to a placebo in adults at high risk of severe illness. In the Middle East, the Israeli Health Ministry on Wednesday gave the green light for the vaccination of children between the ages of 6 months to 5 years against COVID-19. And Mecca's crowded streets provided merchants in the holy city with much-needed relief as pilgrims returned to the annual Hajj after 2 years of pandemic-related disruption. In international news, in the U.S., the U.S. Food and Drug Administration said on Wednesday it authorized state-licensed pharmacists to prescribe Pfizer's COVID-19 pill, Paxlovid, to eligible patients in a bid to improve access to the treatment. And the fast-spreading BA.4 and BA.5 sub-lineages of Omicron are estimated to make up a combined 70.1% of the coronavirus variants in the United States as of July 2nd, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said on Tuesday. In Asia, Hong Kong has suspended a rule that banned individual flights for bringing in passengers infected with the COVID-19 virus, as it caused unnecessary trouble and inconvenience to residents of the global financial hub, the government said on Thursday. Australia said on Thursday it would expand the rollout of the fourth dose of COVID-19 vaccines from next week as it battles a steady rise in hospital admissions fueled by the new Omicron subvariants BA.4 and BA.5. And finally, in Europe, the European Medicines Agency is open to using next-generation COVID-19 vaccines that target older offshoots of the Omicron variant this fall, an official said on Thursday, amid a rise in cases due to new Omicron subvariants. Sweden is seeing an increase in COVID-19 cases, and healthcare can expect an increase in pressure over the summer, the health minister said on Thursday. And Cyprus ordered the reintroduction of face masks to combat COVID-19 on Wednesday, just over a month after scrapping the requirement as infections spiked again.